comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing.
I ain't going in that mud. That's crazy. No! Oh. It's topside up in the stinking water. No, no. Yeah. Bad business, yo. Damn, this shit is steep. Hold on. It's back. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that. I can't believe that just happened. Bet I won't do it no more. Look, why is it so far up? Body foot pulled out. That bitch went for a swim. Fans still going. Everything's still straight. That is not ideal, nor was it what I was planning. And I will not do it again. Hold on. All right. Definitely gonna have to do maintenance on it now. That one. Bam! Gotcha. Hey, look, today, I'm gonna try up the punch on my first Firma system. Trying up the punch on here. Let me get these batteries hooked up real quick. Never done it before, hence got the book out. So I've upped the punch. No, I have never upped the punch. I left the punch on the sitting stock, actually. I've done endpoint adjustments. And I actually, what I should have recorded, I just went through all the diffs. Read front, nope, I was right. Yeah, front, center, and rear. So this still like, that's probably like 250 with the little mixture I put in there. And then both of the front and rear is about 25. But just jump on here real quick. Just trying to see what that high punch life be like. So you know what I'm saying? We about to increase the punch as soon as I find that page. As soon as I find that page, we're gonna increase the punch. I took this out earlier. I actually crashed this in the water. You should be able to see, at least I should be able to, difference in the punch. All right, so I got the hobos plugged in. We're back to business at hand. All right, so right there, look at there. 1 is running mode, 2 motor rotation, 3 battery, 4 BEC, 5 brake strength, 6 reverse strength, 7 is punch, and then you got motor timing. So power button, set button. Hold the power and set button when it turns on. When it turns on, all right, power on the transmitter, connect the battery to the ESC, switch on the ESC, hold the set key for 1 second. Green light flashes to reset all. All right, let's see what happens. Turn that on. Power on the ESC, hold the set key for 1 second. As you can see, that didn't work. I'm gonna try it again. See, this is why I recorded it so y'all can see. Just in case you ever had troubles. Me too. I think I'm in yeah. Yep. And I got hold on, man. Connect battery to ESC and switch on the ESC. Hold set key for 1 second. Okay. So look, transmitter is on. Okay. I'm gonna turn this on. All right. Okay. So we're gonna hit. That's 1. 2. 1, 2, 3. Battery mode.
Eventually.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's saved. Oh, so it like talks to you every time. Programming. So yeah. So that's how you set it. If anybody ever wanted a good laugh, holla at McKnight Mayhem, JC's Randomness. That was me trying to get the punch setting set. And I went to a 7 from the factory 4. I went to a 7. I was just gonna go 6, but went to a 7. And then I put my braking up to 50. Oh, fire team. Oh, fire team. You beautiful, lovely fire team.